going ain't like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling, blow, ooh, she no skateboard P.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Bree and welcome back to another video. For today's video, as you can already tell by the title, today we will be talking about Boxycharm. Okay. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. I can't speak. Today we will be trying on and unboxing the June base box. Before I get going, you got a couple things to do right now, baby girl or baby boy. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, or share. Follow me on both of my social medias, my lifestyle page and my beauty page. They will be posted down below. And let's get started, shall we? So this is what the Boxycharm box looks like. I think it's cute, you know what I'm saying? So the very first thing that I got was the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovering Sleeping Mask. It looks like this. Oh my gosh, the lighting sucks, dude. This is actually a sleeping mask. So this is applied at night and then you wake up with your skin looking all moisturized and supple and soft. I love that for me, okay? I actually received this in one of my past Boxycharm boxes. Gonna go ahead and show you guys a little bottle. Looks like this. So I usually use about, I'm a mess. I usually use about this much. It has a nice clean scent to it, which I love. So as you can tell, this product has already started to give me a little glow. This product is again for all skincare types. This product is for all skin types. I personally love this. I do love how it works, but I feel like it's in a very small bottle. I don't know how long this little bottle will last me. The next skincare product that I received, baby girl, is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I've heard a lot about Tula and I've never tried her, so we're just gonna see. This is also cruelty free. I love to see it. We're just gonna apply this to our eye area and oh, okay. You can use this at night and you can use this under your makeup as well. This is actually pretty good. It doesn't smell like anything. Why am I saying that it smells? It does give me that cooling sensation, but I don't know if it will work for me. Those were the only two skincare products that I received, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my base makeup and then come back to show you guys the other 3 products that I received in my box. All right guys, I'm back. I look pale. This is so bad. Try to ignore that for now, okay? So we're gonna move on to the next couple of products. I received the Touch and Soul Fill-Up Orange Palette, and look how pretty. She's so pretty. These are the colors that come in the palette. This one definitely pops out the most. I'm gonna be taking my eyeshadow brush. All right, we're gonna choose this one right here. This one on the left side of the orange sparkly one, and we're gonna see how it do. We're just gonna try our best and hope for the best. So far, it has pretty good pigment, I would say. All right, now that I have this brown shade on, I'll go ahead and add a little bit more color. And I'm thinking about using this bright red scarlet color here. We're just gonna see how this goes because I'm kind of nervous about this. Sorry. I'm just gonna add this to here. Oh, wow. She's bright. Okay. It's kind of creating like a little sunset kind of look. I mean, I don't know what I'm saying. Just ignore me. I feel like the colors in this palette can definitely be used for any type of look. Where's my blending brush? She's right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on some mascara and we'll talk about the eyeshadow in a second. All right, so I applied some mascara and I like this. This palette was actually pretty good. I definitely love this. We are moving on to the next product that I received, and this is the Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette Cream to Powder Trio Shades of Nude. This is what it looks like. It's very tiny, and in the back we have Toucan Coral, Coconut Grove, and Gold Dust. I'm pretty sure I said the first one wrong, but like, I've already used some of it. This is the contour shade, obviously. This is the highlight and this is the blush. So for my contour and all of that, we're going to go ahead and use this. So I just applied some of the contour shade, and honestly I don't really use cream contour, so I don't know if I'm doing this right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my fingers because I'm afraid that I'm gonna mess this up. It's definitely really easy to blend out. So I just did the contour shade. I'm gonna move on to the blush, and I'm just gonna grab that with my finger here and just, I like to add some on my nose. The blush is kind of cute as well. Last, I'm gonna go ahead with this little highlighting shade right here. I'm just going to apply this to where I want to highlight, and damn, girl. This is the finished look with the contour, blush, and highlight. It's really good for the summer, but the colors are a little light. I like this for like a nice natural look. We're on the last product in my Boxycharm, and this is the Beauty Vault Circadian Lip Liner Trio. We're gonna try out Cozy Kyra today. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips, and we're gonna try her out. So this is what she looks like before the lip gloss. This is the finished look. I just applied lip gloss because I don't have lipstick right now. I really liked these lip liners. They're super cute and they're very creamy. Alright guys, so I think that is it for today's video. Comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to smash that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below any video ideas. And if you received a Boxycharm this month, please make sure to comment down below and tell me which products you received. I'll see you in my next one.